Welcome to online classes DO Nalgonda. In previous part we have discussed about the exponent and powers and laws of exponents. Now we have to going do the some applications on the laws of exponents. Now take one example problem here. Find the values of 5 power minus 2, 1 by 2 power minus 5 minus 5 whole square. Let's take first problem 5 power minus 2. We know that when have the negative exponent we have to remove the negative sign and write the reciprocal of the power. So 1 by 5 square, that means 1 by 5 into 5 equal to 1 by 25. Is it clear? Very easy, no? Next problem. Next problem is 1 by 2 power minus 5. Always when exponent as a negative, we have to change negative sign to positive, then write the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 by 2 power minus 5 become 2 power 5. I am changing minus as plus. I have written here reciprocal of 1 by 2 power 5, 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This value is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 1 by 2 power minus 5 is equal to 32. Then third question, minus 5 power 2. So we know that minus 5 repeated multiplied itself 2 times, minus 5. Minus into minus become plus, so 5 into 5, 25. Very easy. Next to go to the another example. Simplify given problems. Simplifications. These simplifications we have to use laws of exponent. Take first problem. What is the first problem? Minus 5 power 4 into minus 5 power minus 6. Dear children, here two terms, that means two powers with the same base. What is the base here? Minus 5. Here minus 5. When two powers with the same base multiplication, we have to add the exponent. We have to do sum of exponent. So minus 5 power 4 plus minus 6. So we can write the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. You remember this formula. And also simply two powers with the same base, when we are going to multiply, we should be add the exponent. Here 4 plus minus 6. So minus 5 whole power 4 plus minus 6 become minus 2. And children, we know that when exponent of a power is negative, we have to convert as positive by writing as reciprocal of the given power. The reciprocal of given power is 1 by minus 5 power 2. So minus become as plus, write the reciprocal. So here 1 by minus 5 into minus 5, we will get here 1 by 25. 1 by 25. Is it clear, children? Next problem 4 by 7 by 4 power 7 by 4 power 4. Here bases are equal. When two powers divided with the same bases, exponent should be subtract. That means 4 power 7 minus 4. So we will get 4 power 3. 4 power 3. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Very easy. When two powers divided with the same base, exponent should be subtract. Exponent to subtract here. If you subtract here, we will get the 3. This is the 64. And third answer, 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 6. So my dear children, one by one do the simplification in bracket. In bracket 3 power 5 by 3 power 3 with the same bases we want to do division. If you want to do division, two powers with the same base, exponent should be subtract. That means we have to calculate only inside of a bracket. 3 power 5 minus 3. 3 power 5 minus 3. Remaining right as it is power 5 into 3 power minus 6. Right as it is remaining terms. Then clearly bases are equal. We are going to divide these two powers. When we are going to divide two powers with same base, exponent should be subtract. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. So 3 power 2 whole power 5 into 3 power minus 6. Next here 3 power 2 whole power 5. Power of power. When we have the power of power, we should be multiply the exponent. We should be multiply the exponent. 5 as exponent, power of 3 power 2. If exponent has 2 power, then the exponent should be multiply the exponents. 3 power 2 into 5. 3 power 2 into 5 into 3 power minus 6. We know that clearly 3 power 2 whole power 5. So exponent should be multiplication. 2 5s are 10. 3 power 10 into 3 power minus 6. Then here bases are equal. And we have to multiply these two. When two powers multiply with the same bases, exponent should be added. So we have to do here 3 power 10 plus minus 6. So how much will we get? 3 power 10 minus 6, 4. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. This is the final answer, 81. How easy, children? So this problem involved all type of laws of exponent. Let's see the another example problem. Simplify given problems. First problem is given 1 by 27 into 2 power negative 3. So 1 by 27 into, we know that when exponent of power is negative, we have to write as positive by writing reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of, if you change minus into plus, it becomes 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3, 2 power 3? 1 by 2 power 3. So 1 by 2 to the power of 3, that means 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube. So reciprocal, I had changed minus as plus. Reciprocal of 2 power 3, 1 by 2 power 3. Next to 1 by 27 into 1 by 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. So multiply these two. 27 8s are 56. 8 2s are 16. 21. How much will we get? 216. Very easily we had find the value of first problem. And do the second one. What is given here? Second problem is given that 4 power 4 into 16 power minus 2 into 4 power 0. So first I am going to write 4 power 4 as it is, and 16 power minus 2. Children, when you have negative exponent as in power, compulsory convert into positive. We know that when exponent negative, we have to convert into positive by writing reciprocal. Reciprocal of 6 power 2. 16 power 2 means 16 square. I had changed the place, and I have written reciprocal of 16 power 2. That means 16 square into 4 power 0. Next to here 4 power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 1 by 16 square means 16 into 16 into 4 power 0. We know that a power 0 equal 1. For non-zero power exponent is the 0, then it become a 1. So let's 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4 ones are will be cancelled. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4 ones are will be cancelled. Remaining children here total 1, 1 into 1 into here also 1, remaining total answer is 1. So if simplify 4 power 4 into 16 power minus 2 into 4 power 0 is equal to 1. Let's discuss the third problem. What is the third problem? Given that 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 to the 5 square into 1 by 3. First of all, we have to simplify inside of the bracket. What is the inside of the bracket? 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1. We know that 4 power 0 value is the 1. Clearly we know that power with a power with exponent 0 always 1 plus here power with exponent negative exponent. This power with a negative exponent convert into positive exponent by writing reciprocal. So 5 power minus 1 become a 1 by 5 power 1. This 5 power 1 nothing but 5. So you need not to be write power 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Next, if I take here 5 is the LCM, 5 ones are 5 plus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Let's here 5 plus 1 6 by 5 into 5 square means 5 into 5 into 1 by 3 means 1 by 3 only. Let's cancelize the 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. What are the remaining here? Here 2 will be remaining, here 5. It will be get 10. So using by laws of exponent we can simplify the problems very easily. Let's learn some more problems on laws of exponent. Here I had taken 4 questions from exercise 4.1. Simplify the given problems. I am going to take first problem here. What is the first problem? The first problem is 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0, next to 3 to the power of minus 1. Dear children, when exponent as negative, we have to convert into positive by writing power as the reciprocal. So if you write the formula a power minus n equal to 1 by a power n. So here I am going to write 3 power minus 2 convert into positive. We will get the 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 square, or here 1 by 3 into 3 power minus 2 become 1 by 3 square. Is it clear? Next, 3 power 0 1 minus 3 power minus 1 become 1 by negative exponent should be convert into positive. So minus 1 become plus 1 by writing the reciprocal of 3. Reciprocal of 3 power 1 is 3 power 1. 3 power 1 nothing but 3 only. Now here 1 by 3 into 3 power 3 into 3 into 3 ones are 3 minus 1. How much will we get here? 1 by 3 into 1 by 9 into 3 minus 1 2, 2 by 3. So final answer is we will get 1 into 1 1 into 2 2, 2 by 3 9s are 27, 27 3s are 81. What is the answer? 2 by 81. Take the another problem. Second problem here. What is second problem here? 3 power 2 minus 2 power 2 square divided by 1 by 5 whole power whole square. So we know that 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 into 3. So 9 minus 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Next to 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Next to divided by 1 by 5. When divided not possible to do the division, convert into multiplication. when you convert into multiplication, we have to write reciprocal of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 become 5 by 1 whole square. Next, dear children, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 into 5 by 5 means nothing but 5. 5 square equal, we will get 25 square. 25 means 25 into 25 equal 625. How easy solve the problems? Simplification of the given problems, very easy. Now next problem, third one, given that 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 whole divided by 5 power 6. So do the one by one. First to do in bracket work. Bracket power of exponent. Here 5 power 2. This is the power. Whole power to 3. That means 5 square whole to the power of 3. When you have the exponent to the power, exponent should be multiply. So 5 power 2 3s are 6. So I am going to write 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 5 power 4. This division become as we have to convert into multiplication by writing the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5 power 6 equal to 5 power 1 by 5 power 6. Next, 5 power 2 3s are 6 into 5 power 4 into 1 by 5 power 6. So my dear children, 5 power 6 will be cancelled. So 5 power 4 will be left, and 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125s are 625. 625. How easy to solve the problems, simplify the given answers. Very easily you can do these problems. So which formula were used here? A power m whole power n equal to a power n. You have to write formula where necessary used. Here also we used here a power minus n equal to 1 power n. So dear children, last question. 3 by 4 power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. If you observe this problem, first negative exponents, all powers have the negative exponent. These exponents convert into the positive. So this one can be written as, we know that 3 power minus 5 can be written as 1 by 3 power 5. Yes or no? So 3 by 7 whole power minus 3, it can be written as 3 power minus 3, 7 power minus 3. So if you want to convert into positive, 7 power 3 become numerator, 3 power 3 become denominator. That means 7 by 3 whole cube. That means 3 by 7. To write a positive, we have to write a reciprocal of 3 by 7. What is 3 by 7? 7 by 3. So how can we write here? 3 by 4 negative exponent. So we have to write 4 by 3 positive exponent. We know that the converting negative exponent to the positive exponent by writing the reciprocal of the exponent. The reciprocal of the exponent is 4 by 3 to become positive, divided by this also 5 by 4 power 3. Very clearly you can observe here. And 5 by 3 whole power 2. That means 3 by 5 to the power of minus 2. Minus exponent converted positive exponent by writing the reciprocal. Then the formula used here, a by b whole power n equal to b by n by b by a whole power n. If I take here minus, it becomes a by writing the reciprocal. So here 4 power 2 by 3 power 2 divided by 5 cube by 4 cube into 5 cube by 5 square into by 3 square. This used formula a by b whole power n equal to a power n by b power n. So here 4 square by 3 square into, we have to divide here. To divide the fractions, we have to convert into multiplication by writing the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 5 power 3 and 4 by 3? 4 power 3 by 5 power 3 into 5 square by 3 square. So here remaining 4 power 2 into 4 power 3 into 5 square by 3 power 3 into 3 power 2 into 5 cube. Here 4 power 2 plus when 2 powers multiplying with same bases, exponent should be added. So 2 plus 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 and 3 square 3 2 plus 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. This 2 will be cancelled. You will be get 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 5. This is the final answer. By expanding, we will get the complete answer. Let's take another problem, children. In exercise 4.1, 10th question. Simplify and give reasons 4 by 7 whole power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. So 4 by 7 whole power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. We know that given exponents are negative. When the given exponents are negative, we have to write as the exponent positive. When we are going to write exponent as positive, we have to write the reciprocal of the exponent. Reciprocal of the exponent. That means a by b whole power minus n equal to b by a whole power n. So here 7 by 4 whole power 5 minus 5 exponent converted as positive by writing the reciprocal into here 4 by 7 whole power 7. Then here 7 power 5 by 4 power 5 into 4 power 7 by 7 power 7. We know that a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So here 4 by 4 to the power of 7 by 4 to the power of 5 into 7 to the power of 5 by 7 to the power of 7. So is equal to 4 power. When two powers dividing with the same bases, exponent should be subtract. 4 power 7 minus 5, and here 7 power 7 minus 5. So we will get 4 square by 7 square. 4 square equal to 16. 7 square equal to 7 sevens are 49. So using the laws of exponent, you can simplify every problem in your textbook, in CBSE, NCERT books, whatever may be. You get books, you can solve the problems, simplify the easily using by laws of exponent. Thank you very much watching my video.